PanIIT Alumni Reach for India Foundation is a not-for-profit social enterprise led by the alumni of Indian Institutes of Technology, IIT, committed to creating self-sustainable business models that enhance incomes of the underprivileged. The foundation runs a demand-led training program that is a joint venture with the government of Jharkhand for skill development in the state, ensuring assured placement for students nationally and internationally, and a trained skill base for the industry hiring them. Spread over 10 states, the Gurukuls are set up like work sites, giving the trainees a hands-on experience of the jobs they are training for.
What we do really is not just skill building, but it is about transforming their life. In IITs, apart from what we learnt in classroom, we learned from each other in the hostels because it was fully residential program. So training is one part of it, but what happens beyond training is equally as important. So what we are trying to do here is something similar.
Candidates also receive 100% skill loan through NABARD to support their training. The loan is only payable after the student has completed the course and has been placed in a job. This helps students from less privileged backgrounds to take advantage of the skilling programs.
Narayan is a very interesting case study where he went through the Gurukul system. He took a loan because obviously he could not afford the education which he got for 2 to 3 months in 3 months in plumbing, which he learned. And once he got placed in Dubai as part of the campus selection model, he repaid in the first salary all the EMI there is. And therefore, the point about training is it has to be experiential.
Is visiting home from Dubai, where he works at a construction company who employed him after he completed his training with PanIIT. India has a potential to have a surplus of 245 million skilled workers like Narayan by 2030. At the same time, countries across the world are projected to have a shortage of over 85 million. Making India a possible hub for sourcing skilled labor for around the globe.
जैसे हम लोग गुरुकुल से निकले, हम लोग को सीधा दुबई के लिए रवाना होना पड़ा। शुरू जब इधर से गए तो वहाँ का माहौल अजीब सा लग रहा था। अजीब सा दुनिया, कैसे लोग हैं, क्या लोग हैं, पूरा बड़े-बड़े इमारत हैं, बड़े-बड़े टावर हैं। वहाँ पर जैसे हम लोग का यहाँ छोटा-मोटा गली है और वहाँ आपको ना गली मिलेगा ना पूरा चारों तरफ हाईवे है।
Unemployment rates in Jharkhand are higher than the national average, and a large part of the rural population is below the poverty line. Skills development and training allow people like Narayan to break the circle of poverty and reimagine their lives and the lives of the community.
Jharkhand was selected because it was one of the highest repayment states. Of course, in addition to the poverty indicators, we found the tribal youth and all of these youngsters, they had that personal will and initiative but did not have access to opportunity.
मैं अपना जो स्टडी शुरू किया वो घर के नज़दीक में स्कूल थे। मास्टर मतलब कभी कभार जाते थे। मार्केट नहीं है, एक्चुअली रोड का सुविधा नहीं है, बिजली का सुविधा नहीं है, इसीलिए मास्टर एक सप्ताह में 1 बार 2 बार आते थे। उसके बाद मेरा अंदर कुछ जुनून था कि मैं आगे चलूं और पढ़ाई करके आगे बढ़ूं। मम्मी पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है, लेकिन मम्मी का एक शौक था कि मैं कुछ करूं ना करूं लेकिन लड़के लोग को जरूर पढ़ाऊं। मेरा घर आने का एक मकसद ये रहा कि अभी जो मेरे घर हैं वो भी मेरे पापा बनाए हुए हैं, मेरे पापा और मम्मी, क्योंकि सारा पैसा तो मतलब मुझे पढ़ाने लिखाने और 2 भाई हैं उन दोनों को पढ़ाने लिखाने में चला गया। सबसे पहले मैं कुआं बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि पानी पीने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं है यहाँ। कुआं से जब पानी का सुविधा हो जाएगा उसके बाद मैं घर बनाऊंगा।